And yes, we are back. You know, shout outs to me, shout outs to you, shout outs to us. Yeah, us. But you know, shout outs to me. But really shout outs to you. And it is your boy Kexis, if you didn't know. That's me, I'm your boy. And we made it back in one piece, more or less. And today we are going to be looking at this clip where Fauna failed so hard she immediately ended the stream. So she basically rage quit. Interesting. So let's get right into that. And if you like the video, and let's go in this together as one. Do your thing, Fauna. Do your thing. What? Do your thing, Fauna. Do your thing.
Oh.
What the heck is this? The game?
No. I don't have a good feeling about this. Oh, I don't have a good feeling about this.
This game looks kind of fun.
Oh.
Ooh. Dang. Oh. Oh. Dude, wait, what the heck was that? Did she make a kettle noise? Can you imagine? Bro, I've done this so many times. You gotta just act like it didn't happen. You gotta really just Yes.
I can't go on. I have to end the stream. I'm so sorry.
Yeah. Yeah. It'd be like that. What? Did she really end the stream? There's no way. There's no way. I refuse to believe.
Hey, welcome to the Switch Sports. Good to see you guys. Oh, Fauna.
Yeah. Yeah. Respect, dude. The soft reset. Dude, this is literally the equivalent of me getting the energy drink from the stream, my first stream. This is why I can't stream, bro. I'm with her on this. This is why I can't stream, because I really want to be trying to show out, but I can't. I mean, I will, but sometimes, man, it goes south, and I don't want to be on the receiving end of something like this. I can't. I want to be on the receiving end of something. But it's funny that she played it off right. Couldn't be me though, because we eventually did get our energy drink running, so y'all don't know who y'all messing with. Y'all don't know who y'all messing with. Anyways, do your thing, Fauna. Do your thing. Does this guy have more Fauna clips on here? Dang. Tribute to cover. Your Fauna's cat. Okay. What the? Alternate art. Let's go.
POV, you're a cat. Oh, so good, kitty cat.
POV, you're a cat.
Oh, who's a cute kitty cat? You're a cute kitty cat. Oh, coochie 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 coo. Coochie 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 coo.
ASMR is like so like magical, because low-key, if you have an imagination, like a real good imagination, it really does. Like, I don't even have my speakers stupid high, but if you get like, if you just close your eyes and like listen to, like, you really can like teleport into being Fauna's cat, bro. It's kind of crazy. I'm not gonna put myself in that situation, but you can really feel it.
Good
I'm sure this made people's
Hello,
day.
kitty
I
cat.
know this made people's day.
Oh, big stretch. Good stretch, buddy. Good stretch.
Try not to stretch
Oh,
right
you're
now.
so
Crazy.
cute. You're so cute. So cute, little kitty. Oh, so cute, so sweet. Oh, my sweet kitty cat. This is actually what I do to my cats.
You know what? I ain't gonna lie. Even though I am 6'1", if Fauna was like,
Actually, I wanted to make a
if
video
Fauna was
that was
like
like POV, you are my cat.
POV,
And it's
you are my
just that.
cat, I might have to cat up, bro.
But a full video of that.
But like in a respectable buff cat type way, like in a 6'1" cat type way, like type way. You know what I'm saying? But I could see how, you know, our ASMR could definitely make people's days better. Hey, hey, shout outs to Fauna. Shout outs to, hey, I might have to spend a few hours, not hours, a few clicks going through bro's channel. Shout outs to him. I like that. And yeah, that's the video. Here's his little other tangent thought though. I kind of like that there's people, I don't know how people feel about this, but I kind of like that people make clips of other content creators and kind of like edit them to compile them so they're more digestible and like findable. I kind of like that. I don't know how other people feel about it, but I do think it's convenient that I can look up out of context Fauna clips and it's all like condensed and organized for me to just kind of like, okay, Fauna's kind of cool, or Fauna's kind of whatever my opinion is. Shout outs to this person, Slack Fun Day channel. Shout outs to him, salute, or her. Anyways, that's the video. You know the motto. If you like the video, please like the video. It does mean a lot to me. Shout outs to gratitude. Shout outs to liking videos. Shout outs to subscribing. Shout outs to ASMR, bro. And yeah, tell someone you appreciate them. Tell someone you love them. It's important to just get that out there. You know, gratitude does go a long way. For real. I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.